Okay. So yesterday we have seen that union, all right? So today also we'll go for a joins and subquery. So remember one thing, joins and subqueries two will be the very important your day-to-day activities. One second. So your day-to-day activities. See, entire SQL and PL SQL, you want to write views, anything. So it is if you want to write anything, right? So it will be the joins and subquery only. Most of the things, 90% of the SQL we will write in joins and subquery. First, we'll see what is the difference between joins and subqueries, where we'll use, when we'll use, what is the main difference. We'll see. Are you able to see my screen? Oh. Actually, I gave this link to that web WhatsApp. If you see, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. But, see, still, I I don't know what is happening in my system. Hello, the web. Hello. Now it is asking hello. I typed so many things here, but it is not come. So that's why later. Okay. Okay. Let's will start. Giants on subquery. Okay. First of all, what is the giants? Okay. We'll talk about this. Then we'll go for a subquery. So after this, right? So we'll have some practical. We'll see if we have a time. So this is one table. Just assume. This is one table. And this is one table. Like that, I have n number of tables. Are you able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's say this is a table A. This is table B. This table C. For timing, I'm giving the ABC, but it has a real-time names. Okay. So now I want to fetch the two columns from A, one column from B, three columns from C, okay, and one column from D. I want to fetch the data, this column data. So how will you fetch? I have a data in table A, I have a data in table B, I have a table data in C, I have a table data in D. But in A, I have a 10 columns, but I don't want be 10 columns. I want only two columns. In table B, I have a 10 columns. So here also, I need to fetch one column. In table D, I have a 10 columns. Okay. But I need only one column. In table C, I have a 10 columns. I want to fetch three columns. Here is three, here is a one, here is a two. So in Oracle, the relation database, right? Relation database in the sense will keep one table has a department, one table has a EMP, one table have a salaries, one table has a grade. So like that, different table we will store in the different information. So if I want to see, for example, one employee complete information. So let's say the A table has a only employee details. B table has a only department. So the department 10, 20. But here there is a one column to join. So this so and so, let's say employee ID 101 and his name is A, and he has some higher date and everything. Here he belongs to 10th department. So if you run that select start from A1 where employee number equal to 101, what will happen? So only 10th department will get it. This number. I don't want with this number. I want to know the 10th department, which department that employee belongs to, IT or non-IT or HR department or finance department. So he belongs to which department? I need to identify so that. So here, right? If I'll join this 10th department here, IT. Okay. IT is the belongs to 10th department. 20 department, finance. Okay, finance. You can say finance. So if you join this A and table, I'll get it one IT department 10. So instead of 10, I'll keep the IT department. So like that, if I will join this B column. So it belongs to which grade? Is a manager grade, senior software engineer, or director, senior director, or VP, and CAO. So it belongs to which one? So that will be here. One more column is number will be there. That number will be matched with here. It belongs to manager. So then this manager salary. What is the maximum salary? What is the minimum salary? So that salary information available in this table. So in real time, we are making the relation between relation database means what will happen. You want to make the relation between one data to another table data. So I want to fetch the complete information. 101. So what I need, right? 101 employee, his name is A, his hire date, he belongs to IT department, he is a senior manager, his minimum salary this much and maximum salary this much. Currently provide the salary this much. So four tables data if I'll fetch, then only I can fulfill the 101 employee complete information. Understood this point? Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Understood this point?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
So if anyone asks, what is the use of join? So what could be answer? In real time oriented. So you don't go for a book definition and all. What are just I explained, right? Based on that, you can frame one statement. Can I tell? So what is the use of join? If I want to fetch more than one table data, okay, I will go for a join. Then you will tell, can you explain? So relation database has n number of tables. 100 tables, 20 tables, 30 tables, depends on your project and all. So all the tables, if I want to fetch different columns from the different table, we have to use the joins. Understood this statement?
Yes, understood.
Okay. So now, okay, you told, yes, this is the difference between we have to use the join. So how many types of joins are there? First, inner join. Okay. Second, not equi join. See, inner join or equi join is same. Okay. Third one is left outer. Four is right outer. Five is full outer. And six and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six is semi join. Okay. Semi join. First, we'll talk about the inner join. Okay. So you are okay with this explanation, right? So you are getting right. My point is, so you have to catch that point, what we discussing. That is very important. Okay. I'm not giving any definitions. See, definitions will get it, syntax will get it from Google, YouTube, anywhere. But what is the aim of this concept? Where will use, when will use, and what the suitable situation for this topic? So in the real time. So that things we have to learn. That is will make you help you like make a lot. in the terms of interviews, in the terms of real times. Okay, that's the reason I'm focusing. First, I'm explaining, then I'm going for a practicals. I prepare the notes. That is also I'll give it to you. Wait, okay. I'll wait for some days. Once you complete the SQL, I'll give the SQL. First, inner join. So I will take two tables. Everybody knows the employees, right? So I will take the employee table, a regular example. Okay. This is the table. This is the column names. This is the data. This is EMP. And this is for department. This is a department. So here D name and D number. Here also D number. Okay. This is D name. This is D location. Okay. You know this number, employee number, employee name, hire date. These are the column names. For timing, I'm putting one more letter, but you should get that column names. Okay. So this is buffer. This is database. You connected the SCART schema. And this is the your system. This is your connecting to TNS entries. In between, you are writing the queries here. Your test will be here. Okay. Select star from you'll do right. We'll write here. Some tool in your system, some tool. It will connect to the database. It'll fetch the data. We'll keep it into the buffer. This is called buffer. Okay. First, I'll write the statement here. Select star, not star, e-name, EMP number, salary, department name from EMP, E, where EMPE and department D, where E dot department number equal to D dot department number. Now alias name for E, this table, these columns are belongs to this table, and department name D dot department name. So this is the equi-join or inner join. So let's say equi-join, you can say inner equivalent, both are same, but I will tell you the difference. When we'll call it the equi, when you will call it the inner. Okay. So if you use the equal operator, that is the equal join. Remember these things. First thing. If we run this query, I am in my system here. So then what will happen first? Which class will execute? Which class will execute? Hello? Hello, Pramod or Rebecca, Nandini.
Yeah, it will first from MP it will execute.
First from class will execute. Okay. So correct, right? From class will execute. So from class,
Yeah.
what it will do? It will go to the database. It will verify whether the table is present or not. Okay. If we have a proper grants to fetch the data or not. So both will be there. Then what will happen? First from class,
We'll check the
employee
signatures.
table verify and department table verify. Listen carefully.
Yeah.
Both will come here. But what I'm doing, employee table, I'm fetching and I'm putting the alias name E. So which means here, right? It will store as a E only, not for EMP in buffer. So second table, department, it will go and fetch from here. After fetching, we'll keep it into your buffer, right? It will not give the department. So I'm giving the alias name, right? So it will be D only. The names got changed where the buffer. Understood this point? Please respond actually. Hello?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, Mohan.
Yeah.
Understood.
So the original name is EMP. While keep writing into the buffer, it will got change the alias name, ED. Okay. Next. Where in where class, it will not go to the database where class. It will go to here only, buffer only now it will start. So in buffer, what will write? So the two columns are present. So here it will check E dot department number. So E is there. Yes, E is there. This is a E. Okay, this is a E and department number here. And D dot department. And D dot department number is there in the department table. Yes, this column is there. Okay, department number is there. So in where class, it will identify the both the table different. I mean, it has a column names. Okay, so now next check what will happen, right? Department number equal to D dot department number. So next, it will verify whether we have a primary key foreign key relation is there or not. Remember this point. If you don't have the primary key foreign key relation, then it will go for a different approach to fetch the data. If you have a primary key foreign key relationship, so what is the primary key here? Department number in D. For example, we have a primary key, case 1. Primary key is there in department table. So then what will happen? For example, department 10, department 20, department 30. 3 department I am taking for a time being example. So this table, it will not, this table has a 10, 10, 30, 40, 50, and 20. So these many value. So we have a primary key, right? First, it will take the primary key values, only this. So first it will take the 10th. It will go and verify the 10th. It is matches, then the row ID will be recorded here. The same row will be matched with the second row of the E table. If it is matches, the row ID will be right here. The 10th column will matches 30. 30 equal 10? No. 10 equal to 40? No. 10 equal to 50? No. 10 equal to 20? No. So 2 matches. Next, second value it will take 20. Now 10 equal 20? No. 20 equal 10? No. 20 equal 30? No. 20 equal 40? No. 20 equal 50? No. 20 equal 20? Yes, matches. We'll keep writing into row ID here. Hello? You're getting right? Yeah. Next, 30. So 30 equal 10? No. 30 equal 20? No. 30 equal to 30 equal 30? Yes, matches. So we'll keep right here. So then 30 equal 40, not matching. 30 equal 50 is not matching. 30 equal 20 is not matching. So the row ID is right. Then it will go to the here. Okay. This row ID, anyway, you are searching with this row ID, right? Both the row IDs will be saved. Matches row IDs. Then based on the row IDs, again, it will paste the whole complete data. This is department section, department column data, and this is EMP data. Both will be there. It will not separate tables. Only it will combine with 2 tables data. Then in select statement, what finally it run the select statement. E dot ename, E dot depart ename. So it will take the here ename, employee number, salary. Okay. Next, these columns I am not fetching in select statement. Finally, it will go to the department. Department D name only fetching. Only 4 column data it will go on display. If you have a primary key. Understood? It's very important. Actually, see, giants, I can tell the equi-giants, the data is matches, will fetches. No, not like that. We need to understand the concept. Going forward, you should explain to some other. If interview they will ask this question, you should able to give the explanation like this. Some people will give on pen and paper if you explain in the paper. So you should write like this. If you point understood, then I'll go for case 2. Understood? Hello? 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 Able to hear, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now case 2. We don't have any primary key, foreign key relation between 2 columns. So then how it will search? So that time they will check the volume of data in the table. Let's say I have a 40 rows in the table. Let's say in department table, I have a 3 rows. So which is the less rows here? Department has a less rows. So then it will take the department data, will compare. For example, the department rows are 10, the volume of rows. In EMP rows are 4. Then it will take the EMP data, it will search. So meaning is, if you don't have any primary key, it will depends on the volume of data in the table.
Yes.
So which is the less volume, that data will take, will compare. Understood, right? So the
Yeah, understood.
now non-equi-join, which means equi-join query. See, in the Oracle specialty is right. Equi-join, non-equi-join, left outer join, right outer join, all in right in only one query. Okay, people will say that is separate. No, we can mix. Left outer join, I can write the equi-join. Equi-join, I can write the left outer join. I can write the subqueries in the joins also. Okay, anything is possible. Remember this point. Now, putting one more condition and hire date between, okay, some date, let's say 10th Jan. Just I'm writing the query. Okay. 10th Jan 2000, not 2000, 1986. And between and 10 Jan. On 200, I can say 2000. So I want to filter the employees who joined between these dates. Okay. So this is non-equi-join. This is equi-join. The only difference is if you use the equal operator, I'm saying the thumb identification. If you use the equal operator, then is equi-join. If you are not using the equal operator, if you use any other than any operators, that is called non-equi-join. Okay, so non-equi-joins will have. So this one also, it will search. Anyway, up to here you understood. Up to here we have a data here. Then after that, it will make this condition here. After joining, the final result will come and sit right. From here, again, it will go and verify this hire date. So the condition here, it will verify. Understood this point? Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes, yes.
So what I'm trying to say, I'm repeating that word. So up to here, we have done it. Up to here, we've done it. Without select statement, before select statement, there is a one more condition and operator. So there is a hire date will be here, right? The hire date. So between 2 days will be verified. Then after that, the final select statement will be executed. Understood? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Now equijoin, not equijoin, we covered. Now left outer join. Left outer, right outer, we'll see. So now I will take one more, this one. Okay, I will take one more paint. Let me take. So you people are okay, right? I will take exactly 8, 5 or 8, 10 because I joined bit late and I want to explain this. Okay. So if tomorrow, if I'll start explaining, that will be not good. So I need to complete this explanation. Then only I can start the practical. What happens, right? Okay. So same. We'll take the buffer space is more for the visibility. Okay, I'll take one table. I'll take another table. See, basically I'm explaining two tables. In real time, it may be n number of tables, 10 tables, 20 tables, 30 tables, 40 tables, 80 table also we can, 100 table also we can join the same way. There is no difference at all. Only thing is primary key, foreign key, if it is not present, it will take the volume of data, which is the lowest volume of data. It will compare. Okay. That is a EMP table. Just I'm taking the EMP table for this example also. This is department. This is rows. Sorry, this is the column names and this is the rows. Okay, buffer area. So again, you are writing queries here. This is buffer. This is your database. You connected as a SCART user here. So the two table I'm fetching here. Okay. Up to here, we already know that. Now left outer join. I'll put here from class also I'll take. In where EMP is equal to, I'll put plus symbol here, D dot. So I'll put plus symbol here. Remember, left outer means the symbol will be right side. Right outer means the symbol will be left hand side. Okay. So we'll go for this is left outer because symbol is in right side. This is right because symbol is in left. Reverse. Okay. Left outer join I'll take. So from here up to here, we don't have any doubt. It will went there, it will verify the story will be already we have seen multiple times. Now, where D dot department plus D dot department. So here is the tricky. So what is the tricky, right? First thing, department number and D dot department number, it will verify. Like how, for example, department 10. This is D. This is E, alias name, which is I provided. Same thing will copy in the buffer. This is 20. This is 30. I have only 3 department. One is 10, another is 20, another 30. So in 10th department, I have 2 employees. I have a 30 department. I have a 40 department. I have a 60 department. Okay. So let's say just I'm taking some mark data for example. First, we have a primary key. In this case, if you don't have any primary key also, the volume of data is very less in D table. So it will take that one department 10 and will compare here. 10 is matching, then will be small buffer area will get the row ID from the here and here. Okay. Then 20 is there. Sorry, 10 is, again it will go for a search for 10. Yes, it is also matching. This is the row ID for a D E column. This is a row ID for a D column. And 20 also it will matches. 20 equal 10 not matches. 20 equal 10 not matches. 20 equal 30 is not matches. 20 equal 40 is not matches. 20 equal 60 is not matching. Like that 30 30 equal 10 not matching. 30 is equal 10 not matching. 30 is equal 30 is matching. So it will keep writing into the E row ID and D row ID. Then 30 equal to 40 is not matching, 30 equal to 60 is not matching. So all the rows are verified, only 3 rows are matching. Then these 3 rows data will come. These 3 rows, this is E data, employee data, this is department data. All the department columns will come. Remember this point, matches rows, right? All the columns data will come. Now, this is a plus symbol, it is there, which means this is left outer. So here, which is the left side table, E or D?
E.
The plus symbol is the right side, but the department E is the column in after where it is a left or right. It's a left. That is a right. Correct. E dot department is the right side is there. D dot department is the sorry. E dot department is left side is there. D dot department is the right side is there. Correct. Hello.
Yes.
Correct. Right. E dot department is the left side. D dot department is the right side. So here is which is one left outer join. So remember 2 point. One is left outer join plus symbol has always been right side. And what are the column? What are the employee column we are using the left side? All the rows will come, which means left outer join. Hello. Hello. Left outer join means matching rows between 2 table. What are the matching rows? 3 rows are matching 10, 10, 20. Non-matching rows sort of a left side, which means all the EMP data. So here matching rows, we have a data for this. Remaining department as null, but all the employee data will come. Understood this point? The simple things, matching rows along non-matching rows left side of the table data. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You understood any question here? Same like, right outer join. Hello? Understood this one? Right outer join means the symbol will be left side and the rows will be matching rows between the two tables, non-matching rows from the right side of the data. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the difference between left outer join and right outer join? No, if you right or wrong doesn't matter. Just you can whatever you understood, you can explain me. I'll correct it.
Like in left outer join, you get to match the columns and the left table and match the columns.
Matching columns, left outer, right outer will get it. But the left outer means non-matching rows from the left side. Okay. Right outer meant matching rows along with non-matching rows of a right side specified the table data.
Okay.
Okay. So this is about I want to explain. Okay. So I will take, examples in next class. So I will show you in the queries, how will you write the queries. So far you understood. So what is the union set operators and what is the joins? So there is a subqueries also there. Let complete the subquery theoretical, then I'll go for a practical. The combination I'll go. Okay, 3 will be practical. Then half of the SQL will be, we can say we are understood, we completed. So if you're not understanding, please let me know. I will explain one more time. So where exactly you got stuck. And Rebecca, Pragna, Nandini, Divan, Bob. So all people will understood, or you want to explain one more time.
Understood.
Okay. Okay then. So I'll give the notes and next, which is the date? 16th I will give you. 16th or 23 I'll give the full SQL. So I'll plan him to complete 16. Okay, 16 or SQL only. Fail SQL anyway it will take. But now you people are comfortable. See, you are getting the point, right? So what we are discussing in the interviews also, if you ask someone also, so you'll get some difference. See, I know in some of the some of the people saying that just subquery and joins and all, but I will go for in-depth. So this is for just for first step. In-depth in the sense I can write the subqueries in join. I can write the joins in subquery. I can write the left outer, right outer in equi, non-equi join all in one query. So that will go one by one. Easy only, but basic thing we need to understand the first of all theoretical part. Then I'll go for a practical. On top of that, I'll create the view for this. Okay, all are interlinked. If miss this class, next class will be difficult to understand. Remember this point. Okay. Okay, if you don't have any questions, then I will stop here. No questions, then I'll stop the recording, then I'll close. Okay.